Welcome to therapy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosa, aka Therapy, and today's video is long overdue. And I apologize. Don't fight me. I'm sorry. I'm finally gonna give you guys this video about these freaking vitamins. So basically, I started taking these vitamins back last year. I want to say it was around the end of August when I started taking them. I took them consistently for about 3 to 4 months. Yep, today is March 1st. I'm going to start taking this new bottle after taking a break off the vitamins for about a month. So I'm sure the residual biotin and stuff is out of my system now, and it's kind of like me restarting. So we're going to restart this journey together here the right way. I'm trying to make this video as organized and together as possible so I can document my growth with these vitamins and help you guys to decide if it's something that you want to incorporate into your hair care regimen. So yeah, I'm going to start taking these. I am going to measure where my hair is today, and then once this is a 30-day supply, so at the end of March, I'm going to wash my hair, blow dry it out, and then we're going to measure how my hair is at the end of the month. So yeah, let's get to measuring. So this is my hair length shirt. Don't let my shrinkage fool you, okay? And then on the back, it has the regular lines and stuff to measure your hair. So I'm gonna throw this bad boy on, and we're gonna see where the starting point is for my hair. All right, so I have my shirt on. It's gonna be hard to do this by myself, but let's see. I have my head straight up so I can see. Okay, so I'm about at basically an 8, but we're gonna say the official number is a 7.5. Let me grab another piece just to double check. I mean, basically it's an 8, but I'm just gonna say for argument's sake, some pieces are showing up shorter than others. I'm just gonna say for argument's sake, I'm starting at a 7.5, 7 3/4. 7 3/4 is where we are starting off. I'm gonna kick off this video with starting my first dosage. I will say it is kind of hard to maintain consistency. Well, it's hard for me to maintain consistency with these pills because they are on the pricey side. They range from about $25 to $30. I've seen some places charging $30 for them. I've been looking high and I've been looking low for sales on the Main Choice, Sally's. Every time Sally's has a Main Choice sale, these are all miraculously sold out. So I haven't been able to catch a break. But I tell you, the next time that I get a sale on these from the Main Choice, I'm racking up. Oh my gosh. It has a little cotton ball in there, keep them dry. I'm supposed to take 2 per dosage. This is what they look like. Pretty big capsule. I don't have anything to drink down here. I hate coconut. Like, I hate anything coconut, so that wasn't too bad. But alright, so I started this process. Hope you guys come along with me for the journey. I'm going to try my best to keep this organized, and so we can really see if they render any results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave any questions down below that you have about these vitamins, and I'll be sure to answer them, and I will see you guys in my next video.